The starlet whose photograph was published by the Sunday Times on spot fixing has hit out. She has said that she plans to sue the British newspaper and the allegations against her are false.
A British tabloid has said that a Bollywood actress has been involved in a match-fixing scandal. I'm in conversation with Nupur Mehta, who's not only photographed, but also her name has been dragged into this mess. Nupur, what do you have to say about this?
Well, Atya, it's very demeaning for my personality and for my identity to put my name forward and sensationalize it in such a wrong manner. I am very hurt with the kind of negative publicity that is put up, seeing my pictures in this kind of an allegation. And these allegations are completely inappropriate and immaterial. It has no linkage with me. I am a cricket lover. I love to watch the game. And likewise, I love other kind of sports as well, like football, tennis. And that's about it. That's my link and that's my base with the game.
So, Nupur, how do you think your name got dragged into all this? I mean, your picture has been used in the article. So what do you have to say for that? Even if they have used it for representational purposes, what is your next plan of action?
Well, firstly, Atya, I would like to say that, yes, the representation of my picture has been used. By not even letting me know prior. They did not ask for my permission as well, and it was a complete shock for me to see my picture on the TV channels and being used in such kind of a scandal. However, I can only say that probably they wanted to involve glamour, or they wanted to use my picture in their own humble way to, suit their self. I am clueless about why they have done this and why they have dragged my name in the controversy. It has hurt my feelings a lot.
So what is your next plan of action going to be? Are you going to sue them? What is your plan of action?
Well, I think it's too soon to say anything about my plan of action right now, because I'll need some time. I'll also need to discuss it with my lawyers and with my well-wishers, and then I would like to take a step on it.
And about this whole media chase is happening right now. Everybody wants, your stand of the story. So what do you make of this?
Well, media rocks in our country, firstly, let me say that. And it's a news about cricket, and cricket is taken as a religion in our country. So, of course, everybody would like to know and hear about cricket, and added with it a spook of glamour. So, that is why the media is making a hype about it. And also, I believe the IPL is down the line, so that's coming. So, probably it'll give a good boost to the Indian cricket.
But have you ever seen a cricket match, or have you ever betted money or anything to do with this?
Well, I am far away from all these kind of inappropriate things. They have no value in my life. Yes, I love sports, as I said, and I watch all kind of sports, cricket being the favorite of them. I'm a big cricket lover, and that's about it.
Okay, thank you so much, Nupur, and we hope that this matter settles down and you clear all your... Thank you so much.